Hello students, welcome to Global Online University. In this video, I am going to tell you about the rescheduling of the examination of candidates whose subjects was Kannada and the exam date was 26th of December. Let's read the notice. The notice says that because of some technical glitch or issues, as you all know, this time the examination is in the computer based mode. So at times, because of some technical issues or some network issues, the exam got rescheduled. So the subject was Kannada, and it the exam was for obviously December 2020 and June 2021 cycle, and it was for those students whose exam was on 26th of December, that is today, and the first shift. Okay, the morning shift got affected, they are saying, and the exam will be rescheduled for only those who got affected because of this problem. So they are saying due to technical issues at some centers for December and June cycle for the subject Kannada, and for the exam date was 26th of December, and the first shift the exam has been rescheduled and the new dates have not been declared yet. They are saying that NTA will reschedule the examination for those only the impacted students, and the revised date for the rescheduled examination will be uploaded shortly. So those students whose exam has been postponed, what you have to do here is just keep on visiting the site www.nta.ac.in. This is the site, and whenever the new dates will come, they'll be uploading it over here. So um all this information you should keep on visiting the website, and we at Global Online University will also be telling you about all the latest updates. So here this is a very good opportunity because you can make the most out of it. If your exam has gotten postponed, study hard. Maybe if you can give more time, there are more chances that you clear the examination. Here at Global Online University, what we do is we help you prepare for UGC NET Paper 1. So here we have a one-day revision PDF, students. As you all know, the paper is in two parts, paper 1 and 2. Paper 1 is half the weightage. So what here we have brought for you is a one-day revision PDF consisting of 2000 plus questions. So it is a compilation of most expected questions, all the latest current affairs, and most important PYQs. So if you study paper 1 in one single day, you can devote all your time for paper 2 as it is double the weightage. So here we take care of your paper 1, and if you want to get access to the PDF, you can contact on this number, and the fees is very minimal. It's just 499, and you can study all your paper 1 through one single PDF. Okay, so uh, all the best for those students who are going to appear in the examination. uh, give your best. Maybe if you study hard, the chances will definitely increase of your cracking the examination. All the best. Bye.